Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and drivers are ready. Plug in the scanner or fax modem and install the manufacturer driver. Windows Update can fill gaps. Once done, open Start, type Windows Fax and Scan, and launch the app. This gives you the workspace. Make sure you run as your user account that has admin rights if installing drivers. Why this matters? The app needs device access to detect incoming images or a fax line, so getting drivers and the app open first saves time. Now you create the content. Click Scan and New Scan, select the source, flatbed or feeder, pick color mode and resolution like 300 dpi for documents, then preview and adjust. If sending a fax, go to Tools, set up fax, choose your modem or configure an online fax provider. This replaces a phone line. Once scanned, save the file as PDF or TIFF so it's compatible with fax or email. Make sure to preview. Rescans waste time and risk poor legibility. Finish by sending or saving. In Fax View, click New Fax, attach your saved PDF or TIFF, enter the recipient number, then send. Watch the status for success or failure. For scanned files you want to share, use right-click Share or Attach to your email client. Change resolution if file size is a concern. If something goes wrong, no detection or failed sends, recheck drivers, cables, modem power, the Windows fax service status, and firewall rules. Restarting the app often clears temporary device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.